So here what can I do? I just go get info. Now you see that it's a 2.30 to 2.3 MB. Okay, here I use ChatGPT for creating this type of image. Okay, so now you just see that I also give a dedicated AI tutorial how to make this type of thumbnail. Okay, so you just see that here if I just go to the get info, now you just see that here 2.3 MB is there, but in when you upload this thumbnail, in that time your compression is required. Okay, compression means your photo size is below 2 MB, so then you can upload this image to your YouTube. Okay, you can set your thumbnail, okay, in YouTube. So that's why the compression is required. How to compress this thing? So you just open this image. So by default it's open this image in the preview. Okay, so or else you can just right click option, okay, open with. Now you see that option and right click. Okay, option, right click, then open with preview. Okay, now you see that it's opening in preview window. Okay, so do one thing, just go to the tools. Okay, here one tools is there, and here then go to the here one option is there. um, Here we can do something, remove background. Okay, here we can remove, I don't want remove background. Here I want to compress. So rotate image, animate, resizing. We can I want to adjust the size. Okay, here one option is there, adjust size. Okay, here I just click the adjust size, and here what can I do? Here not in centimeter, in percentage. Okay, in percent. Okay, in percent I just change. Now my image size is 100. Okay, now what can I do? I just say that in 50 I just half the size, the quality of this image. Okay, I just reduce the size. Okay, and my width is 50 and height is 50. You can use the per inches, centimeter, or pixels, or anything you can use. Okay, I use 50% width and 50% height. So now what can happen when I just then if I just make this 50/50, then my file size was 630 KB. Okay, okay, so what can I do is just press OK, and custom file info, custom. Okay, it's not a thing. Then we just do one thing, just to press OK. Now you just see that my file size is and you just see that don't be fear. Okay, so you see that the black box, something is black is visible, but don't worry, when you just close this image. Okay, just close this image, again open this image. Okay, again open this image. Now just see that nothing is happen. Okay, you get the same quality image. Okay, you get the same quality image. I just open again. Now you see that you don't have the background, black background. You don't have any black background, and the again I check the size. Okay, get info. Now you just see that the size is 749 KB. Okay, so now you understand how to reduce the image size. Okay, how to compress a image. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for getting this type of content.